this is the living area. It's a huge living area. It is a modular kitchen. You have a lot of storage, really huge and spacious, as you can see. Look at the... Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree and today we are at Saffron Skies by the builders GRC, which is located in off Kanakpura main road. Before we get to know a lot about the project in detail, let's know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are connected directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other listing platforms where you go for an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers. So hurry up, go book your dream house directly with the developers through Housey. Talking about the project overview, the entire project is built on a land parcel of 3.70 acres with 81 villas, and the available variants are 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, Silk Institute is just few minutes away from here, Metro Station is just 7 kilometers away, Electronic City is 15 kilometers away, JP Nagar is 10 kilometers away, and many more other connectivities are very close by. Talking about the amenities, there are 30 plus amenities such as a clubhouse, swimming pool, barbecue garden, jacuzzi, lawn, party hall, kids play area, gymnasium and many more. Right now we are in front of 4 BHK villa called Saffron Skies by the builder GRC. So this is located in off main road, off Kanakpura main road. So let's have a look at the sample house. So as you enter, you can see there's a calling bell as well as a camera. So your house is completely secured and safe day and night. As you enter, this is the living area. It's a huge living area. You can see we have sofas, tables, and right in front of this sofa, there's a television unit with a table. It looks really cool. And here you can see this is the balcony with a huge sliding door, French sliding door. And here we have a small lawn area, a garden setup. So you can customize it or decorate it the way you want. So this garden can be viewed from the living area as well as from the main door entrance. And now let's have a look at the parking area. So from the house, from inside you can go to the parking area. So yes, this is the door to the parking area. It's a huge parking area where you can park 2 cars, bikes as well as bicycles. It's very huge, as you can see. So now it's time to look at the servants' room, the maid's room. So from the parking area, you can enter the maid's room. Yeah, this is the maid's room with an attached bathroom. So the bathrooms are equipped with high-end sanitary equipment as well as anti-skid tiles, and also we have windows for the ventilation. So this is the servants' room, and as you head out of the servants' room, there's a corner space. Actually, it could be a utility or a storage space for you, or you can decorate it the way you want with some amazing showpieces. Now it's time to look at the dining area. So from the living area, the dining area is level living actually. So yes, this is the dining area. It looks really amazing. It has tables and chairs with well designed. And from the dining area, you can also look at the living area. And now it's time to look at the kitchen. So yes, the kitchen is really beautiful. As you can see, it is a modular kitchen. You have a lot of storage units as well as a utility space in that corner. And from the kitchen, yes, we have this much area given again for your utility purpose, as well as there's a wash basin here and a tap over here for your washing purposes. So yes, it's designed really well. A modular kitchen with extra utility space. Now it's time to look at the guest bedroom. So from the dining area, you have this guest bedroom. So it's very huge and spacious. So here you can see we have the balcony with French sliding door, and also there's a garden setup. a small garden space. It looks really amazing. The view is really cool from this balcony. So this is the balcony in the guest bedroom. And on the left side you can see the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe. Yeah, it's very huge and spacious. And right opposite to the bedroom you have a table, yeah, for showcasing your showpieces. Now it's time to look at the common bathroom. This is the common bathroom. Very big and spacious with anti-skid tile and high-end sanitary equipment. It has a wash basin, a very huge wash basin with a huge mirror. So this was all about the living area and dining area. Now it's time to look at the above floor. So let's have a look what is present in the above floor. And as you go to the next floor, you have a storage space here. Okay, this entire space is for storage. Yeah, it's very huge. So it's a very huge space for storing things. So here we have a living area setup with sofa and table and also a balcony. Wow. Very huge balcony, so you can spend your leisure time here with a sip of coffee or tea. It looks really beautiful. And in this floor we have 2 bedrooms. It's time to look at the first bedroom in this floor. So yes, this is the first bedroom in this floor. I really like the color combination, the white and somewhat a violet color. It's really good. And right opposite to the bedroom, you have a balcony with the French sliding door. It's a very huge balcony, as you can see. And also the view is really beautiful from this balcony. You can see it's complete greenery. And here we have a study area. So we have a study area and this is nothing but the wardrobe. So they have given a wooden finish. And also you have a huge passage here. And a very big mirror for the dressing purpose. So it's your dressing area as well. And now it's time to look at the bathroom of this bedroom. I really love this bathroom because it has a courtyard and also natural sunlight. So as you can see, a courtyard with natural sunlight, and look at this wall. The finishing is really amazing. The brick wall finish and natural sunlight. Also there's a garden in the bathroom. So who will not love such kind of bathroom? So yes, we have anti-skid tile with high-end sanitary equipments. So even the wash basin is really cool with a huge mirror. So this is the setup, bathroom setup in this bedroom. Now it's time to head to the second bedroom in this floor. As you head to the second bedroom, on the right you can see under the staircase there's an area where you can decorate it the way you want. Right now we have pebbles over here, pebble and with a huge plant. So you can customize it the way you want, but this looks really amazing. And this is the second bedroom in this floor. So it looks really amazing. In this bedroom we have this white and light green combination. It's really beautiful. Look at the interiors, it's really amazing. And right opposite to the bedroom we have this table setup. And now it's time to look at the balcony. So this is the balcony in this room with French sliding door and huge curtains. And also there's a small plant setup, a garden setup as well. This balcony is also very spacious where you can spend your leisure time. And the view is really amazing. As you can see, wherever you see, it's really greenery. Okay, the most important part in a bedroom is nothing but your dressing area. So this is the wardrobe with a huge passage. So you can see this is the wardrobe with white and black combination and a huge mirror for you to get ready. Wow. such a huge mirror. This looks really amazing. And now it's time to look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Again, we have the setup for natural sunlight. As you can see, this is complete natural sunlight. So even without electricity, in the daytime, the bathroom will be bright. You don't have to use any lights. So yes, again we have anti-skid tile with high-end sanitary equipments. So huge wash basin with a huge mirror. So it's simply superb. So this was all about the bedroom, the second bedroom in this floor. Now it's time to go to the next floor. So as you head to the next floor, you can see this brick wall finish. It looks really fantastic. And in this floor, we only have, so this floor has only one bedroom, that is nothing but the master bedroom. Before we look at the master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide actual sample tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, and all the pricing details such as EMI and down payment. And most importantly, we provide you 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. Let's go. Wow, this is the master bedroom. It is really huge and spacious. As you can see, look at the bed setup, and opposite to the bed you have the table setup, and also a huge space for chair and table. And now it's time to look at the balcony in the master bedroom. So we have huge French sliding door. This balcony is really long and spacious, so you can spend your leisure time, and also you can decorate it the way you want. So you can see plants over here, but you can decorate it the way you want. And look at the view here. It's complete greenery and it looks so pleasant and peace. Apart from balcony, from this master bedroom, you have another balcony. So there are two balconies in the master bedroom. So also you can see this is the sitting area, and it's non-breakable glass, and also the glass is elevated a little bit above so that the heat is not trapped. So the heat is released from this place so that the glass won't be hot when you sit. So this was the sample 4 BHK villa tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And I have a question. Have you heard about GRC Builders? If so, what are the experiences you had and what projects you liked the most? Do mention it in the comment section below. We welcome all the positive and the negative feedbacks. And before you go, do not forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Housey so that you will know more about such videos.
So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Saffron Skies, located in off Kanakpura Main Road by GRC Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.